Good morning. My name is Tony Locasto. I'm the Chief Engineer at the 9/11 Memorial. We're here this morning to deploy the U.S. flood protection inflatable barriers along the West Side Highway in New York City. This is the first time that we purchased Tiger Dam. We tested it against a few other competitors and we found this to be a much superior product. After the flood that we had with the Sandy storm, we just wanted to take an extra step to try to protect the National 9/11 Memorial Museum, to try to make sure that if any water does cross the West Side Highway again, it won't penetrate the plaza.
This is a very, very important site to the city of New York. Of course, it holds a lot of value in a lot of people's hearts, and it actually took a lot of damage with Hurricane Sandy, unfortunately. Millions and millions of gallons of water infiltrated the entire area. So part of the deployment plan to protect the plaza is to line Tiger Dams along 12th Street and protect infiltration should they have another situation like Hurricane Sandy.